What makes a smartphone feel truly smart? Is it just raw power, or is it the way it uses that power to make your life easier? That's the big question behind Google's newest processor, the Tensor G5, which comes inside the Pixel 10 series and represents the company's biggest leap forward in its custom chip journey. To understand why this matters, let's go back for a moment. When Google introduced the first Tensor chip in 2021, it was clear that the company wasn't trying to compete directly with Apple's S-series or Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors in terms of raw performance. Instead, Google built Tensor around artificial intelligence, giving us features like real-time translation, advanced speech recognition, and photo tricks such as Magic Eraser. These features set Pixels apart, but they also came with trade-offs. The chips often lagged behind in heavy gaming, multitasking, and battery efficiency. The Pixel 9 Pro showed this perfectly. Powered by the Tensor G4, it gave us some of the smartest AI tools on any phone, but it also struggled against rivals in speed and power management. Now, with the Tensor G5, things look very different. For the first time, Google has designed a fully custom processor from the ground up, moving away from Samsung's designs and partnering with TSMC, the Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company, to use its 3nm process. That shift alone is huge because the smaller 3nm process allows Google to pack more transistors onto the chip, which directly translates to more performance and less power usage. According to Google, the Tensor G5 delivers an average 34% boost in central processing unit speed compared to the G4, making it much better at handling demanding apps and multitasking. But where the G5 really shines is in AI performance. The Tensor Processing Unit, or TPU, which is the part of the chip dedicated specifically to machine learning tasks, is now 60% faster. That means AI-heavy features like real-time translation, voice recognition, photo editing, and smart suggestions will not only be quicker, but also feel more natural. Imagine your phone translating a live phone call almost instantly, or recognizing speech with almost zero delay, and doing it all while using less battery power. Speaking of battery, the efficiency gains from the new 3nm process should help the Pixel 10 series last longer on a single charge, even when using AI features heavily. While Google hasn't shared exact milliampere-hour numbers for battery upgrades, the focus on lowering power consumption shows a clear intent to fix one of Tensor's biggest weaknesses. Another key detail is that this redesign means Google is no longer dependent on Samsung's foundries for chip production. That shift to TSMC could mean better yields, more reliable performance, and chips that are competitive not just in AI, but in general smartphone use. Of course, Apple and Qualcomm are still strong competitors, but this time, Google seems ready to challenge them head-on while keeping its unique AI-first philosophy intact. To sum it all up, Tensor G5 is not just another yearly upgrade, it represents a turning point for Google's Pixel line, a processor that finally blends AI-first features with the kind of speed, efficiency, and stability that users have been asking for. So what do you think? Is Google's strategy of focusing on smarter features over raw power finally paying off now that the Tensor G5 closes the performance gap? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more simple and clear updates on the latest in tech. Asterisk.